Welcome to this lesson on the Patriot, the made in the USA multi-horsepower condenser fan motor. You now have the opportunity to support a motor made in the United States. Imagine that a contractor is on a service call and needs to replace a condenser fan motor. If he doesn't have the correct replacement motor on his truck, he's going to have to drive to the distributor and buy the part he needs before he can finish the job. That wastes valuable time driving back and forth when he would otherwise be making money on the next job. Now, there's a better solution. The Patriot motor, made in the USA from US Motors. The Patriot motor is a premium, universal, multi-horsepower PSC motor with flexible mounting options. US Motors has answered the overwhelming call from contractors across the country for a motor that is made in the USA. The Patriot motor allows the contractor to stock fewer motors on their truck and always be prepared with the right motor for the job. And by using the Patriot, the contractor will be supporting an American-made product. The Patriot is a multi-horsepower condenser fan motor that covers horsepowers from 1/6 through 1/3. The Patriot is a 1075 RPM, 208 230 volt motor with a high ambient rating of 70 degrees Celsius. The Patriot condenser fan motor combines all the premium features of a multi-horsepower motor and adds the opportunity to support a product that is assembled in the United States. Starting from the interior, the rotor features US Motors exclusive anti-corrosion treatment to ensure startup after being idle for the winter. Made of the same materials as our OEM motors, you can rely on a Patriot motor to perform well for you and your customer, supporting your reputation for doing quality work with quality components. Built to handle a variety of mounting configurations, in addition to standard mounting studs, the motor offers the features of side shell and lead-in blind mounting holes. A long life bearing system is used in order to handle residential, light commercial, and units where windmilling occurs. Patriot motors are designed to handle multiple horsepower load requirements and to match the speed requirements for the application. A motor's output RPMs vary based upon driven load. Increases in loading will reduce the RPMs, and conversely, decreasing the load will increase the RPMs of the motor. A Patriot motor has a specifically designed winding and speed tap that allows it to match the horsepower and speed for the application. The Patriot motor windings are built to handle multiple horsepower requirements, and to accomplish this, more copper was used in the windings and more iron in the rotor. This makes the Patriot a premium motor which is stronger than standard PSC replacement motors. The Patriot condenser fan motor is 208 230 volt totally enclosed air-over motor. The Patriot condenser fan motor is a high ambient temperature motor with an ambient temperature rating of 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The Patriot multi-horsepower condenser fan motor covers a horsepower range of 1/6 through 1/3 horsepower and are 6-pole 1075 RPM motors. Wiring the Patriot is very simple. There is only one lead that covers all available horsepowers. To install, simply connect your black and neutral wires and the capacitor leads to the capacitor. It's that simple. The Patriot does support one capacitor lead wiring setup. Simply tie off the capacitor lead with the white stripe and proceed to a one capacitor lead wiring installation. Let's take a look at an example to demonstrate the RPMs at each horsepower for the Patriot S81-776 condenser fan motor. The multi-horsepower Patriot motor operates at similar RPMs for each horsepower. The winding in the Patriot motor is designed to create a relatively flat speed curve which allows the motor to run at appropriate RPM regardless of which horsepower load it is driving. The Patriot multi-horsepower motor allows contractors to carry less truck stock and improve the quality of service they provide to their customers. The Patriot multi-horsepower motor also allows a contractor to avoid the common problems associated with carrying only standard single horsepower multi-speed motors. The Patriot motor allows you to always have the correct motor on your truck while supporting an American-made product. This concludes this lesson on the Patriot, made in the USA condenser fan motor from US Motors.